Fourth thing that I want to bring in my speech. Firstly, I'm going to talk about how the stock will be worked. Secondly, I'm going to talk about the rationality of the people going in our side of the house. Thirdly, going explain about cost and benefit, and fourthly, the comparative. Firstly, let's define how the MEM investment is, what the MEM investment is. We think that the MEM investment is an investment that being popular, that the orientation is that's we promote we the consideration of the people to buy certain thing is basically based on their popularity towards certain thing, and how the social media and influencer will be influence this kind of people in order to make trend and stuff and so forth. We think that the example, for example, like Elon Musk have been popularizing in Twitter about Bitcoin, and how they will going to be impacting toward the people or the stock buyer, because the Elon Musk, for example, like we see that the fluctuative is happen in their side of the house, and how Elon Musk created certain influence toward the people. We think in this motion is talk about the value judgment, whether or not it is going to be harm. And the OG, the stand is good. The burden, we must have to prove that this kind of thing will be create more harm toward the society. We think that the problem of this motion is talk about how the popularization of the stock based on the popularity in social media, for example, or not on that how the quality of the stock itself. We see that the moment when we buy certain thing by this consideration, it is meant to be fluctuable and impacting toward the people, because the main consideration is actually coming from the public figure that have certain in follower and so on and so forth. We think that the social media is something that being popular and used by many people, that we know that the rationality just based on this kind of people will not going to be good at the end of the day. Firstly, how the stock will be worked in our side of the house. We think that the stock is something that actually fluctuative and depend on the how much the advance of the company, and not based on their trendy. For example, we believe that the stock will be, the price will be raised and stable, and when the moment when we want to get the beneficial, they must have to have good long-term prospect to begin with. Like the stock, the principal stock, we must have to buy based on our consideration, and it is beneficial or have good long-term prospect. We see that the influencer in our side in the status quo, we see that they are something that actually pictures them by being popular, or the idol or have big influence on the people, meaning that people are believe with this kind of people and they just popularizing that not by their own by their own interest too. For example, like they want to get certain money, or they're not promoting by that people that they are knowledgeable. And we think in our side of the house will be going to be more good, because the moment when we are buying, for example, like by certain knowledge, for example, like journal, it is more trusted than this kind of people. Secondly, it is getting more fluctuative, because the rationality based on not this kind of people. And we said and we believe that the moment we spend our money to buy certain stock, the goal is to achieve then beneficial us, because we don't know, like there is a certain people like they have limited in their capital, and we know that the goal is to get something beneficial for them and so and so forth. We think the rationality of the people will be going in our side of the house, because the moment when the people are being aware and knowledgeable about the certain buy, or they buy their stock by their own interest, by their own self, meaning that the responsibility is coming from us, that there are certain incentive for them to make more researches toward their buying, or they buying towards stock, and meaning it is gain more knowledgeable toward what they want to buy and stuff and so forth. We think that rationality will be going better in our side of the house, because when we talk about the long-term perspective or the stock is just get for the next 5 years, for example, like the moment when we are doing to trust it toward this kind of people, by they have certain interest of the company, for example, or they have certain interest for them for gain money, for example, we see that the rationality will less likely to be happening, because when the moment we talk about the stock, they are talk to about the future of the people and how we must consider them based on the future of the society. For example, like the moment we invest, for example, like electric mobile, we see that the electric mobile have been not popular enough, but they have a good prospect in the future. Like there is a certain incentive people to concern people about renewable energy, and we think that the moment we spend or buying certain stock is actually they are beneficial on long term, or they are have a good prospect to begin with. Like the influencer, we know they have their own self-interest, and how the social media is actually being popular or make certain trend not based on their stability of the stock, but also there is certain just on the trend. And because of that, we know that the rationality less likely to be happen, because the cost and benefit we want to achieve is they are aware about they want to buy. The moment when we are aware about the buying, there is a check and balance toward us. Like the moment when it is more better firstly, because the moment we buy the stock, it is our responsibility to begin with to buy certain thing, and we are aware to buy. And at least in our side of the house, when we are being felt toward buying certain thing, it is our responsibility to begin with. Like we are knowledgeable about the certain thing, and we know that even if it is spelled, because our responsibility, and not blaming for spell the influencer and stuff and so forth. Secondly, we are choosing based on the more knowledgeable, for example, like journal, or we read certain article and stuff and so forth, that we are knowledgeable about the certain talk, and we know that it is something beneficial, because at the end of the day we see the stability of the company or the stability of the stock, and we know that the stock will be going to be we take them in long term, meaning that we must have to consider this kind of thing. We think that in comparatively in our side of the influencer will not blame themselves, or the society not blaming themselves about they promote certain thing, because we know the rationality influencer is different too, and many in status quo the influencer just coming from the underprivileged, and they're not knowledgeable in certain thing, and that's why we brought to propose.